Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove your credit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up DoorDash. Next, you want to click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, you want to click on Settings. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Payment. Now, as you can see here, I have two blurred out credit cards. In order to go ahead and remove a credit card, all you need to do is swipe left on one of the credit cards and then click on delete. So the credit card that you have to delete, make sure that there's not a check mark on it. So if I click on this one, I can now swipe left on the second credit card and then go ahead and delete it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a credit card from DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.